Welcome everybody. It's your boy Rome. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, I want to say thank you guys for subscribing and liking the video and spreading it across the world, across the universe. If you're brand new to the channel, please drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down here at the bottom right here if you're new, so we can spread it across the world, to the universe, so you can watch it and show the world how much we're talking about football, how much we love football. Where do we begin, people? Where do we begin? It's been a busy day for football, a very busy day for football. I'm not going to talk about my club, Manchester United. I'm not going to talk about my club's dealings. I'm not going to talk about other clubs' dealings. It's just about the football that we're watching today, which is in the World Cup. And it's all about the two groups that featured today. The first game, of course, was between Serbia and Cameroon. And I'm not going to lie, kind of sad because I want to see Serbia to win this game because I really like Serbia. I like Serbia because of Milankovic Savic and potentially Vlahovic because we might buy him. But Cameroon come out in the second half and they did some damage. They scored first. Serbia come out second late, two late goals in the first half. 2-1. Then a third goal in the second half. I was like, this is going to be easy. And then boom, boom, quick fire goals. Boom, boom. Abu Bakar, that brother, that man, Abu Bakar. Great goals. And then second game I saw was a South Korea and Ghana game. Now, to me, I really want to see Heung-min Son go through this next round. It's because I really like Heung-min Son. I really like Kung-min Jae or Kim Moon Jae, whatever you want to call him. Because I think Manchester United will go for him next summer. I really do. He's very good. A very good defender. And with Harry Maguire out the picture next summer, I really think that he's a very good defender, right defender we can buy to supplement for Varane when he's injured. So definitely think that he's going to be a decent buy at a very decent price. So we'll see. But South Korea, they got it there, man. They gotta pick a pocket there really big. And they start playing when your head was against when your backs were against the wall, when you should have been playing like that in the first half, but Ghana came out and that was kudos. Jesus Christ. Kudos to kudos, fam. Kudos to kudos. That man he's going, he said, I think about a week or so ago, he said that he is at Neymar's level, just not the notoriety. And them two goals today might have something to say about that. No, I'm not at Neymar level. Kudos is not at Neymar level, but damn, if he continues like that, he's going to be a big team is going to be knocking at his door very soon, very quick. And so the next team, Brazil versus Switzerland. First, let me state this. I know I want to stay away from the Manchester United point, this World Cup, for this talk, but I have to just say it. Manchester United players has been playing very well this World Cup. All our Manchester United players. Think about it. Casemiro just scored. He played well the previous game. Bruno had 2 assists last game, had 2 goals this game. What? Every single player that Manchester United brought to the World Cup. No injuries, but every time they played very well and they did very good. Lissandro gets a start last game and finally win. Waiting. Even the French players, Pelestri, he played well today, very direct, very, very direct. I like that. Hannibal, when he came on, very well. Fred, when he started there, when he came on, very well. Ericsson is a baller. You don't have to ask no question about that. Complete baller. We haven't seen the left back just yet. We haven't seen him yet. I can't remember. We haven't seen him just yet, but pretty soon. Soon and very soon. Malasia, yes. We'll see him very soon. Or yet. But all in all, Manchester United players showing a good account to yourself. Hope you can stay fit for the next 3 weeks so you can get to go back home, train, and get ready for the season, yes, sir. Congratulations. And then the last game today was Portugal versus Uruguay. As I said, Bruno with 2 goals. Ronaldo tried to a goal, but it's not going to work out like that. Never going to work. He must celebrate like a World Cup him with you want to see him. He didn't score another. Bruno scored. You tried. I mean, your distraction might have caused the keeper not to, go to the ball, but he didn't score. Bruno scored. Bruno scored, fam. Bruno scored, not Ronaldo. Sorry. Hate to burst the bubble, but Bruno scored. I mean, I still rate Ronaldo, but I saw him to Manchester United. Not gonna rate your party. Just dating. Dating though. I hope we get to the finals so Messi can face Portugal in the finals. Then it can be a showdown of the greats. Just because I want that to happen, because of where football is, I think that's the best thing to end the football the way they're going, the way they have been for the past 20 years. I think they deserve a finals for the World Cup for the two of them to show up in their careers. So yes, Bruno Fernandes, good game today. Very good game. And when it comes to the game tomorrow, man, the game tomorrow is going to be difficult. First of all, notice the times has changed. So it's not no longer 5 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 2 o'clock. It's now 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock. And the last round, the last games in the first round, all teams will be playing at one time. So the first round, tomorrow is 10 o'clock between Ecuador, Senegal, Netherlands, and Qatar. And I'm going to say this right now. We know that Netherlands will win unless if they drop to a definitively embarrassing loss to Qatar by 5-0. We know that they will qualify for the next round tomorrow. The thing is, Ecuador and Senegal which one of them could make it to the next round? That's the thing. And I do think that it's tough, isn't it? It's very tough. Ecuador played well against Netherlands. I can't see Senegal beating them. I can't see Senegal winning them at all. So I'll say give it to Ecuador for that round. And then the next one is England, Iran, USA, and Wales. Jano. Now, all the USA has to do is to win against Iran to make it to the next round. They go up to 5 points. All England have to do is just defeat, just don't lose. All England have to do is just don't lose. But it's England part. Very much. I know England will make it to the next round, I'm sure. But will they make it second and number one? It's a tough task, a very tough task. England, USA might make it if they win against Iran. Iran, they have history with USA. They have very much history, a very rough and tough history. It's going to be a rough game. The build-up is all about USA versus Iran, their political views and stuff, but I think the game is going to be about the game itself. I don't give a crap about their political views or whatnot. It's going to be a hell of a game tomorrow. Let's see who pulls it off. I do think that USA will pull it out, though. I definitely think USA will pull it out. But let's see. We will see. People, I want to say thank you guys again. Subscribe. Remember, we're at the pinnacle, the very, very last lap in terms of the getting to 1,000 subscribers. So please, if you're brand new, or you're seeing this for the first time, drop a like on the video. And then subscribe. Subscribe so you can spread it across the universe. Like it so you can send it across the YouTube universe. Best of yourself, best of others. Manaz.